Okay, we are live. Today we're gonna work on getting some animations all put together. Basically, I just want to get the colliders set up in the animations to be the right shapes and sizes for the different attacks. Oh, and I probably just need to update some stuff over here real quick. Okay, there we go. No. I don't know why it's still showing RPG as one of the tags. I mean, that's not what we're doing today. I did some Paper Mario yesterday, but okay. I think we've got it working now. Okay, there we go. I don't know, let me double check and make sure it looks right over here. I think it still says it's an RPG. But I'm not doing an RPG at this point, and it would be misleading to say I was. Oh no, the tags are right now. I just guess it's just kind of being silly. Okay, anyways, let's get to animating. Okay, so I put in some defaults for all these animations, but they're for specifically the right down slash, which means they're all going to be positioned wrong. We go through this slowly. We got the green boxes. Let's shrink down as it shrinks down, which is what I'm after. Now for the down left slash, what we're going to want to do is put collider number, actually, back to the top, I need to be in edit mode. I thought I needed to be in edit mode. This is being weird. Begin animating. Well, I do want to animate this, but I want to animate it over here. Do I need to have two inspector tabs to do it this way? No, the animation's still choosing the wrong thing to be what we want. What's going on here? This didn't do it. Oh. So I should be able to click up here. Click edit. Click edit. Click a property that I want to edit. I should be able to select it over here. But when I do, it gets all on the fit. Why is that? Yeah, it just drops it. This was not how this was working yesterday. Oh dear, is it because I updated Unity? Updated Unity because they're like, hey, the latest version has the has the dark theme that you can just use. Oh, great! Well, it also has a bug in the animation system. If I'm in edit collider mode, then can I? No, it's just instantly dropping. Oh. They have a lock now. That's actually perfect. Then I should be able to lock that. Go into the edit mode on the collider. Go into record. Oh, that's actually, that's an improvement. That's really good. Just unintuitive to someone who's used the regular version for so long. Okay, this makes more sense now. And that had me worried for a moment. Now, this is the right down slash. I actually don't want to modify it. I want to modify down left slash. This one works. Okay, so from the top, the animation should look like this. And the other collider should look like this. Okay. Now this phase, this collider, should be all the way over here. Now the other collider will handle all of this stuff. And on this one, we just may take up the whole box. Okay. So this one actually kind of reversed the rules here. This one should just hang out here. The whole time. Or this collider. Question for me, I guess I'm thinking about is, should I really do 2 colliders for this? Just kind of want to research and see what other people do. But I think other people are just gonna like, I just put a box there over the whole thing, even though it technically takes up way more space than that. Does it really matter? I mean, is it really that big of a deal if this thing's taking up more space than it should be? Or should it be very clearly animated out? You know what? I'm already this far in. I'm just gonna keep going with it. Good enough. Okay. Down left, down right slash. Let's see how this works. Okay. Collider 1. You need to be scooched. Scooched to the middle, you do need to be. And then scooch to the right you need to be. And then just scooch a little more. Okay, and the other collider. This one needs to be brought up just a bit. Brought back a bit. Then here, I'm going to have you cover this part of the bounds. And then it reverts back. Oh, wait, come back, friend. Come back to me. Where did you go? You know what? Let's just do 1 collider. I don't like this 2 collider setup. Well, if things take damage though, we're gonna get 2 reports of a hit on something. Yeah, I'm gonna call it. We're just gonna do 1 collider. Oh boy, I just made all of them mad. And we're just going to keep it super simple. We'll let things go out of the bounds, and if we hate it, we will address it later. Because I want to get this feature finished so that we can do another release. Okay. So big, small, smallest. Okay, down left, down right. Move forward. Big. Small. Super big. Or more accurately, let's go to smallest. The size and offset of the last ones can just go. And on this one, they can be moved up. Actually, in all cases, it can be moved up. So we really just need to adjust those three positions, and then we're good on each animation. Okay. Now for this one. Good. Wait. I wasn't in edit mode. Dang it. It keeps wanting to break out of exit mode whenever I change animations. And I think that's another small change they've made to the animator that I keep making the mistake on. Because it's not how it used to work. But I mean, it does make more sense with the turn off every time. So I'm not faulting them for the change. It's just I just had a date on default behavior for this. Okay, so now good. Good. What is the defaults for this? If I'm not in preview mode. Yeah, I want to fix that. Now, in record mode, left up record mode should look like that. Okay. One and come on, little box. 2. So we just work on getting all these as close to pixel perfect as possible. I mean, this doesn't have to be perfect, but there's this little perfectionist side of me that wants it to be. I kind of wish you could adjust these from the edges of the boxes. Maybe like have a little grabber. But Unity does not have that. Not by default, at least. Okay, we've gotten through 4 of them. Now for the right down slash. This is the one I believe we started out with, so it should be pretty close to right. The only reason why it's not is because I changed things. Yeah, that was just a pixel off of those. Sub-pixel, I guess. I'm not in edit mode. I didn't go into edit mode again. Gotta do that edit mode, man. Or else you're not actually making changes. You're just messing around. Okay, so admittedly, animating these isn't really the most exciting of all the things you do in game development. I mean, it's probably more fun to draw these animations than it is to create the colliders for them. But this is important. So you want to be able to have the hitboxes feel proper. Now, right up slash. Record mode activated. We go there, we go here. We go to 0.2, and pretty good spot mostly. Then we go to spot 3. By the way, if you have like a feature, if anyone has like a feature request or a bug request playing the game, let me know in the chat, and I'd be more than glad to take a look at them with you. Or say, I'm not fixing that, at least not today. For now though, I would like to be able to get these animations completed, because that would be pretty sweet. And we really can't do the full sword attack right now because it's completely busted until I'm done doing this revamp on the system. Which I'm doing so that we can do upward attacks and downward attacks. So that's a good improvement. Just everything's broken until I'm done. Because that's how it works. Whenever you like heavily modify a system until you're done fixing it up, you're in a broken state. Okay, that's looking good. Last animation, and then we have all of them done. Man, I gotta say, I love working in dark skin Unity mode now. That is so cool that Unity for actually doing that. Because I admit, I didn't really like gray. Gray wasn't the coolest looking. Dark mode though feels legit. I feel like I want to be working in Unity now. And I think that's why Unity decided to make a change, because you should feel pretty cool when you're working in a program. If you don't feel cool working in a program, why would you want to support the program, right? And sure, gray mode isn't going to bother most people, but it just makes it that much cooler, man. That much cooler. And this will be checking to make sure I was in edit mode. The last animation. Okay, good. I think that worked about better. Okay. All the animations are done. Let's go ahead and save. I'm going to commit these changes. Speaking of dark mode, Source Tree now has a dark mode in their latest version. Found out about that the other day. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I like dark mode. Oh, you can just... Why do they have this commit button if it doesn't even do anything? Oh well. Animations for /tag. Commit. Okay. At one point, I was making sure I had Didn't I have base character open recently? Could have sworn I did. No. Agent request assets, project assets, images, sprites. Yeah, didn't I rename it to this? Yeah, so I started working on these. I don't remember how much I got done. We had this for /up. Well, that I think answers it. I did not get very many of these done. I did one of these and called it. So we have, just make sure we have the right number. We should have 8 in total, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm missing something, aren't I? Yes, I am. I've got to be. Because I have 8 of them there. Okay. So which 2 am I missing? Move our preview window. Can I scroll this? Oh, boy, that did not do what I thought it was going to do. Okay, I'm gonna move this off screen real quick. Make this full screen. And then, oh dear, he's got grumpy. Lag, we're getting some lag. Okay, new rule. We do not move this off and on during streams. Lesson learned. Okay, so we have right down, down left, right up. Oh yeah, because these ones can be used for both horizontal right and horizontal left. We have all 6 then. But does that mean these ones could also be flipped? Maybe. Probably. Yeah. Not sure. I'll think about this more. No matter the case, it does mean we clearly don't have all the hero stuff put together. Well, we have to have pixel animating in order for the slashes to work, though, right? I mean, it'll look dumb, but still work. Okay. Okay. So, let's look at Pixel when he goes to do an attack, sword attack. And see what exactly we tell it to do. Oh yeah, I do remember one particular thing I think I was telling the sword attack to do. The slash attack controller. It needs to have the slash attacks called. So, we're going to go back to the slash attack. Reopen it. Each one of these on the last frame. On slash completed. Well, copy paste doesn't work there. Yeah, okay. Just double checking. Oh, actually, what if you have to be in record in order to paste? No? I just can't copy it. That's okay. I do have to be in record to add one, though. No, maybe not. No, I guess not. Okay. We'll just do what works then. Oh. Add and select. Add and select. Basically, this is just letting our controller know that the animation is finished playing. There's other ways to solve this problem, but this is how I'm choosing to do it. Okay. Go back to a previous one. Do I still have it? Selected. Is it still on / completed? Yes. Okay, well, let's give this a test spin and see how it goes. I think this is my first time actually testing the / attack. Okay, so I didn't even see it. Okay, / attack is missing some important data. It looks like it's missing that. Sword attack controller's missing some stuff too. So let's go to sword attack controller. Probably on Pyxel. Forgot to assign it. Very easy mistake to do as a Unity developer. Something that happens all the time. Okay. Select our adventure, select our player, grab all the things. Jumping works. And now I'm stuck in attack mode eternally. Unassigned. The variable box collider of ABB's controller has not been assigned. Well, that would be a problem. It's going to be in the AB. What is this? Okay. Oh. Yeah, that needs to be set up. This needs to interact with everything aside from players. Probably doesn't be UI either. Probably not those layers either. Probably just the default stuff. Why didn't I just select default? Okay, well, I think that resolves that problem. Well, let's give this another spin. It didn't error this time. Looks like our slash attack never even turned on. Well, if we configured it, we should have turned on. It did appear though, so wait, is this something our animations are maybe doing? I don't think I disabled and enabled the objects in the animations, did I? I might have. Okay, let's find out. First off, in this save. Yeah, saving is a good idea. Probably good. Oh. No, no, we didn't. We turn on and off the box collider. Sure. Actually, we just simply turn it on, I think, because by default, we turn off the preview. The collider is the turned off state. Or wasn't and should be. Okay, so slash attack gets turned on by our sword attack controller. And when our sword attack controller does begin a sword attack, it's all this stuff, and then configures it. So we should be getting configured. No, let's see if we get the logs for it. Back out and play. Okay, we join, we jump in. Slash attack configured does happen. Okay. Well, let's look at Pyxel and see what's going on here then. Equipment, the slash attack is activated. Animator is in a none state. Oh! Does our slash attack actually begin the animation? It should, but did it? Well, let's put a breakpoint and find out. Cool. Oh, it looks like someone joined in. There's 2 viewers now. Hello, whoever came in and watched the stream. I'm Michael Chug, and I'm making Pyxel. And right now, I'm trying to figure out why my slash attack controller, when it should be completing its animation and then deactivating when it's done, is not. Oh, I made a new character. Not what I was aiming for, but should still work. Oh, we got a breakpoint to hit. Oh, because I still had the breakpoints when I was doing the room activation stuff. Huh, well, that worked good. Okay, so, I'm going to clear. I should hit a breakpoint. Boom, I do. So the slash attack controller at this point should be active. If it doesn't find the animator, it should be grabbing it. But is the trigger the right name? Right up is what it says it is. And then my animator. Do I even have a right up? Let's take a look. All of these have slash at the end of them. That's my problem. I mean, I guess I could put slash at the end of all these too, but I don't think that's quite the way I want to do it. Let's just add in slash here. Oh, no. There. Let's run this. Okay. So it looks like we are adventuring. The current little campaign I've put together. Boom. Okay, I got the badges, which allows me to jump. And slash attack. The slash attack completed. However, it still locked up my player. I'm excited though. It completed. It did the thing I wanted it to. Okay, okay. Pyxel, what is your current state? You are in grounded sword attack. On sword attack complete. Did on sword attack complete not get hulled? If we interrupt. Well, we configure it, and we should be calling on sword attack complete when this finishes. This on complete is being saved to this on complete. And on slash attack completed, we should be invoking it. Yet we don't seem to be getting the event. That hierarchy seemed right. On sword attack complete. Grounded sword attack. Okay, we're going to attach to Unity again and do a couple more tests here. Because are we subscribing? Is it becoming unsubscribed? Is our sword attack controller even doing it? Even configuring? It probably would be. But is the on complete being set? And is it being interrupted? Or is it invoking? Lots and lots of breakpoints here. Okay, let's jump back into our adventure. Why is this being called right now? Well, that's concerning. If is sword attacking, then we can interrupt it. But if I'm not sword attacking, you should not be able to interrupt it. Mark dot invoke. Stop playing. I guess I double clicked the play button. The slash attack, if it gets interrupted, it should still perform the end slash. Yeah, actually. I'm going to add that in. And the sword attack controller. Then we'll attach this to Unity. We shouldn't even be able to interrupt a sword attack if there's... I don't even know how it got interrupted. What is telling it to interrupt? That is the mystery. And it's one of the reasons why I don't like using Unity events. I feel like it creates a whole bunch of mysteries. Magic stuff that just kind of happens. I used to be really into them. Now I regret it. Okay. So if I press it, it configures. It gets the on complete. The on/ completes. Oh. You know what? I really don't know if that's getting called or not. Let's stop. Exit play. Let's switch this to on/ complete. And then I'm going to put a breakpoint here. Okay. While the recompile completes. I kind of wonder if while it's recompiling, it's causing lags to happen in the bitrate. Seems to be. Is video buffering? Use the toggle to disable low latency mode. Anyways. Okay, we go grab the things. Actually, we're pretty close to having it. Now just Pyxel's animator is getting a little wonky. Oh. I see. all we need to do is do that. Do it here too. Come back over here. Turn off play mode. And then, oh, what was it I was gonna do? I was gonna do something cool. Oh yeah, over here. Okay. We are out of time today, but I'm gonna do one last run on this. I just want to see if our change actually solved the last issue we were running into. Okay. We grab the sword. Yeah, we're back. Now, that's not... We got some other issues. Animation event has no function name specified. That's reasonable. We must have missed one. Okay. So, slash attack controller. One of these must have been missed. On slash complete. No function selected. Well, time to check all of them. Left up. Okay, well, that's what was missed. I mean, I kind of felt like I was pushing the limits, trying to get the upward and downward attacks to go in this run, but we might actually have those working too. The positioning's wrong. We need to like actually be facing the right direction. Also, it's not detecting that I'm facing left. So that needs to be resolved. That is looking promising, man. I'm liking it. Okay, I'm gonna call it. Catch you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and eat a cheesecake. Stop recording.